Hello and welcome back to Eastside Language. My name is Shane Braverman, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of my most favorite tools ever. This is the online dictionary Word Reference. It is the greatest online dictionary in the multiverse. So we're going to go through how to use it, and I'm going to show you right now. The word we're going to be looking for today is a noun. The word is search, as in Darth Vader's search for Luke Skywalker continues. So the first thing we do is we want to go to the website wordreference.com. Once we get there, we want to make sure we have the right language, right? So in this drop-down menu, you can choose English to Spanish. And you can, once you type your word, use this magnifying glass or hit enter. So the noun we're looking for today is search. So it comes back with a whole big list of things that mean search or options for search. So how do we decide which one we want? Well, first thing we do is we figure out what we're starting with. We started with a noun. So on the English side, we see this search for, right? And the VI stands for intransitive verb. We're not actually looking for a verb. So we want to keep going. Where do we see a noun? Here we go. Search. And then here, noun refers to person, place, thing, quality, etc. Okay, the next thing we want to do is make sure that we have the right word by looking at the middle section. It gives you examples. So a search as in an attempt to find. The search for his brother continued. This sounds like the right kind of word. And if we look in the Spanish section, we see búsqueda. And then next to it, NF, meaning nombre femenino, which is a feminine noun. So I think this is the correct word that we are looking for. Even though there are tons and tons of options, we did our research to make sure it was the right one. Now you're going to practice using word reference, and I'm going to give you some nouns to look up. So you have to pause the video once I give you the noun. So the first noun is shuttle, as in, ready Lord Vader's shuttle to see the Emperor. So pause the video. Okay, so let's assume that you have just looked this up. We are looking up shuttle, as in Darth Vader's shuttle. So let's look down the list. We see Inglés, shuttle, noun. Bus transports 2 points, not what we're looking for. U.S. transport between two cities. Probably not what we're looking for. Space shuttle, type of spacecraft. NASA is launching the shuttle on Wednesday. This looks perfect. So we look over here and we have transbordador, right? Masculine noun, so we know that it's el transbordador. But let's say that this is kind of a big word and we don't remember how to say it. Well, if you go to the very top of the page, you see listen right here, but this is in English. So you have to type it in here. Okay, and it will bring you to the Spanish page, and then escuchar also means listen. This is where you can listen to the word in Spanish, and you see here where it says Mexico, it means that the person pronouncing it for you is from Mexico. Good job with shuttle. Now let's do a few more nouns, and this time I'm not going to show you how to do it, but I'll give you the nouns and then show you the correct answer. So the first one we're going to do is battle, as in, sorry mom, I can't do my homework, I have a Pokemon battle. So pause, look, and then check in. If you got batalla, as in military combat battle, then you were correct. The next noun we have is walk, as in, I'm going to go for a walk and catch some Pokemon along the way. So what did we get here? Walk. Travel on foot. Caminar? No, that's a verb. Walk, travel somewhere on foot. That's a verb. Walk, activity, stroll. They go for a walk each night after dinner. That sounds about right. So paseo, caminata, or vuelta. But how do you use it? You get an excellent example right here. Ellos salen a dar un paseo cada noche después de cenar. Perfect example. The last noun you're going to look up is point, as in, I got so many points when I beat you in basketball yesterday. So we looked up point, And you had to scroll all the way down here until you see an example where they give it as score, the highest possible score, as in points, right? So punto is your word. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it has helped you to understand a little bit better how to use the world's most wonderful, fantastic, incredible online dictionary. Please stay tuned for my next video. It will be more tips and tricks on using word reference. May the force be with you, and adios!